Hello, and welcome back to Real Life English. Today, I'm going to tell you a true-to-life story. A story about connection, about change. And you will practice English with me using the shadowing technique. It's very easy. Listen to my voice, pause the video, repeat the sentence, say it aloud. Copy my voice, my rhythm, my emotion. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't try to be perfect. Just speak. Feel the words. Let your English grow naturally. Are you ready? Take a deep breath. Let's begin.
My name is Maya. I'm 26 years old, and this story happened last year. It started on a cloudy Monday morning. I was standing at the bus stop, holding my umbrella. Rain was falling softly. The sky was gray, and honestly, I felt tired. Life was okay, but nothing exciting. I had a job, I had a small apartment, and I had a dream, but it felt far away. What dream? I wanted to write, to tell stories, to become a writer. But every day, I worked at a call center, answering phones, solving problems, reading the same script again and again. Sometimes I wondered, is this it? Is this what life will be like forever? That morning, the bus was late. I stood under my umbrella waiting, and then I saw him, an old man, wearing a long coat, carrying a big backpack, and playing the violin. Yes, right there, on the street, in the rain. His music was soft and beautiful. The melody was slow, gentle, and full of feeling. People walked by quickly. Some didn't even notice. But I stopped. I listened. The rain continued, but the music felt warm, like sunlight inside my heart. After a minute, the man saw me watching. He smiled, and he kept playing. I felt shy, but I smiled back. The bus came, I got on, but all day I kept thinking about that moment. That one small moment. It stayed with me. I felt something change inside. That night, I opened an old notebook, and I started writing again. Only one page, only one scene, but it was something. And then I made a decision. I would write every day, one page, no matter what. One page became two became 10. Soon I was writing short stories, little stories about people I saw, people like the violin man. Weeks passed, and something strange started to happen. I began to feel alive. I smiled more. I noticed the small things, like the color of the sky, the sound of the rain, the faces of strangers on the street. And I wrote. Every day. In cafes, on the train, during lunch breaks, late at night. One afternoon, I was sitting in a quiet cafe, writing, and someone said, "Excuse me, are you a writer?" I looked up. It was a woman, about my age, holding a coffee cup. I smiled. "Well, I'm trying to be," I said. She laughed. "That's the best kind." She sat at the next table. Her name was Priya. She was a designer, and she loved stories. We talked for hours about books, about dreams, about how hard it is to keep going sometimes. She said, "Maybe we can help each other. I'll design a website, you write the stories." At first, I wasn't sure, but something in her smile made me say yes. We started working together. Slowly, on weekends, at night. We built a small website, and I posted one story each week. No one read them at first, but we didn't stop. We kept going. 1 week, then 2, then 10. And then one story went viral. It was called "The Man in the Rain." People shared it, commented. Some said it made them cry. Some said it gave them hope. I couldn't believe it. Emails started coming in. People from different countries, all reading my words. I was still working at the call center, but inside I felt different. I wasn't just answering calls anymore, I was also a writer. 3 months later, something even bigger happened. A small publisher reached out. They wanted to make my stories into a book. I sat there staring at the email. My hands were shaking, tears in my eyes. I called Priya. She screamed, "I told you! I knew it!" We celebrated that night, just the two of us. Pizza, music, laughter. The book was published 6 months later. It was called Little Raindrops, and on the first page I wrote, "To the man with the violin, thank you for playing in the rain." I never saw him again, but he changed my life.
Now, let's talk. Did you enjoy the story? More importantly, did you speak with me? Did you shadow my words? If not, it's okay. You can go back and try again. Repeat the story as many times as you want. The more you shadow, the more fluent you become. Don't worry about being perfect. Worry about being brave. Worry about showing up. Every word you say out loud is one step forward. Every sentence you shadow is a small victory. This story wasn't just about English. It was about real feelings, real people, real dreams. And your dream? It's waiting for you too. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. And one day, your voice will surprise you. It will be strong, clear, beautiful, just like you. Thank you for listening to this story. Thank you for learning English with me. You're doing amazing. I'm so proud of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow. I'll be here with another story, waiting for you. Until then, keep growing, keep smiling, and keep speaking. Bye for now.